Welcome to our channel, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today we embark on a journey into the verdant world of fruit trees. Those magnificent beings that provide us with sustenance and delight. Our focus will be on a selection of these arboreal wonders, specifically those that exhibit remarkable swiftness in their growth, rewarding the patient gardener with a bountiful harvest in a shorter span of time. If you've ever dreamt of plucking ripe, juicy fruits from your very own trees, then join me as we explore 6 fantastic options, each with its unique characteristics and appeal. Our exploration begins with the fig tree, Ficus carica, a species steeped in history and revered for its sweet, succulent fruit. Cultivated for millennia, the fig tree holds a place of honor in ancient cultures, symbolizing fertility, prosperity, and peace. But beyond its symbolic significance, the fig tree is a remarkably resilient and rewarding addition to the garden. Imagine, if you will, the satisfaction of harvesting your first figs within a year of planting, a testament to the tree's rapid growth. Some varieties in their youthful exuberance can shoot up to 3 feet in a single year, quickly transforming a bare patch of earth into a shady haven. The fig tree, unlike some of its more demanding brethren, exhibits a remarkable tolerance for a variety of conditions. It thrives in well-drained soil, but can also withstand periods of drought. Its adaptability extends to soil types as well, making it a suitable choice for a range of garden environments. But the true marvel of the fig tree lies in its unique fruiting process. Figs, you see, are not fruits in the traditional sense. They are in fact inverted flowers known as synconia, which enclose a multitude of tiny blossoms within their fleshy walls. These blossoms are pollinated by tiny wasps, barely visible to the naked eye, which enter the fig through a small opening called the ostiole. This fascinating symbiotic relationship ensures the continuation of both species, a testament to the intricate interconnectedness of the natural world. Next, we turn our attention to the pear tree, Pyrus communis, a beloved denizen of temperate gardens worldwide. Known for its elegant form and delectable fruit, the pear tree has graced orchards and gardens for centuries. Dwarf varieties offer a faster track to gratification. These compact cultivars can begin gracing your table within 2 to 3 years of planting. Imagine the delight of biting into a crisp, homegrown pear. Dwarf pear trees prefer well-drained soil and ample sunlight. They are surprisingly tolerant of a range of soil types. This adaptability makes them an excellent choice for gardeners. Pruning is simplified with dwarf pear trees. Their smaller size makes them more manageable. Regular pruning ensures a bountiful harvest. The true reward lies in the diversity of their fruit. From the classic Bartlett pear to the crisp, tangy Bosc pear, the options are as varied as the tastes of those who savor them. No exploration of fruit trees would be complete without paying homage to the apple tree, Malus domestica, a true icon of the orchard. For centuries, the apple tree has held a place of prominence in human culture, its fruit inspiring myths, legends, and countless culinary creations. From the Garden of Eden to the orchards of Johnny Appleseed, the apple tree has woven itself into the fabric of our collective consciousness. And it is no wonder, for this versatile tree offers a bounty of both beauty and sustenance. While standard apple trees may take several years to reach full fruiting potential, certain dwarf varieties, those marvels of horticultural ingenuity, can begin producing apples within 2 to 5 years of planting. Imagine the anticipation, the thrill of witnessing the first tiny green orbs emerge from the branches, gradually swelling and ripening under the summer sun. Apple trees, like most fruit trees, thrive in well-drained soil and bask in the warmth of full sunlight. They prefer slightly acidic soil, a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, but can tolerate a range of conditions with proper care. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is essential for young trees, ensuring their roots establish themselves firmly in their new home. Pruning, that essential horticultural practice, is crucial for apple trees, shaping their growth, promoting air circulation, and ultimately maximizing fruit production. Winter pruning, when the tree is dormant, is ideal, allowing for a clear view of the branch structure and minimizing stress on the tree. Let us now venture into the realm of stone fruit, where the apricot tree, Prunus armeniaca, reigns supreme. Native to warmer climes, the apricot tree brings a touch of the Mediterranean to gardens around the world, its delicate blossoms and golden fruit a harbinger of summer's warmth. Imagine, if you will, the sight of an apricot tree in full bloom, its branches laden with a profusion of delicate pink blossoms, attracting a symphony of pollinators with their sweet nectar. The air hums with the sound of bees, their industrious buzzing a testament to the allure of the apricot blossom. And as the blossoms fade, they give way to small green fruits, which gradually swell and ripen, their skin transforming from pale green to a vibrant orange-yellow, often blushed with a rosy hue. The aroma too intensifies, filling the air with a sweet, tangy fragrance that speaks of long, sun-drenched days. Apricot trees, like their stone fruit cousins, thrive in well-drained soil and demand full sunlight, basking in at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, but can adapt to a range of soil types with proper care and amendment. Regular watering, especially during the first few years after planting, is crucial for establishing a strong root system. Deep watering rather than frequent shallow watering encourages the roots to grow deeper, making the tree more resilient to drought conditions. Our journey through the orchard now leads us to the peach tree, Prunus persica, a species renowned for its delicate blossoms, fragrant fruit, and the sheer delight of biting into a perfectly ripe peach on a warm summer day. Imagine, if you will, the soft fuzz of a ripe peach against your cheek, its aroma filling your senses with the essence of summer. The flesh, yielding to the slightest pressure, releases a flood of sweet, juicy nectar, a taste of pure sunshine captured in a single bite. Peach trees, like their apricot cousins, thrive in well-drained soil and demand full sunlight, reveling in at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, but can tolerate a range of soil types with proper care and amendment. Regular watering, especially during the first few years after planting, is essential for establishing a strong root system. Deep watering, rather than frequent shallow watering, encourages the roots to grow deeper, making the tree more resilient to drought conditions. Mulching around the base of the tree helps retain moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weed growth. Pruning, that essential horticultural practice, is crucial for peach trees, shaping their growth, promoting air circulation, and ultimately maximizing fruit production. Winter pruning when the tree is dormant is ideal, allowing for a clear view of the branch structure and minimizing stress on the tree. Our final stop on this arboreal adventure brings us to the nectarine tree, Prunus persica var. Nusa persica, a close relative of the peach tree, yet distinct in its own right. While often mistaken for a hairless peach, the nectarine possesses a unique flavor profile, a delightful blend of sweetness and tanginess that sets it apart. Imagine the smooth, firm skin of a ripe nectarine, its vibrant red-yellow hue a beacon of summer's bounty. As you bite into the fruit, the flesh gives way with a satisfying crunch, releasing a flood of sweet, tangy juice that dances on your tongue. Nectarine trees thrive in well-drained soil and demand full sunlight, basking in at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. They prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Mulching helps retain moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weed growth. Pruning is crucial for shaping growth, promoting air circulation, and maximizing fruit production. As we conclude our exploration of these fast-growing fruit trees, I encourage you to consider welcoming one or more of these remarkable beings into your own gardens. The rewards, as we have seen, are manifold, from the sheer beauty of their blossoms to the delectable bounty of their fruit. Remember, as with any endeavor in the natural world, patience and observation are key. Take the time to understand the specific needs of your chosen tree, providing it with the optimal conditions for growth and productivity. And as you nurture your tree, so too will it nurture you, providing years of enjoyment and a tangible connection to the rhythms of nature. Thank you for joining me on this arboreal adventure. May your gardens be fruitful, your harvest abundant, and your connection to the natural world ever deepening.